Robbins and Dean's knowledge broker blueprint has helped me to uncover my real potential and make use of the knowledge I already have to impact the world. Hi everyone, I'm Vera. Welcome back to Welcome and Circle, the place for your personal growth and self-development. One of the reasons I made this video is because I want to let you know the movement that I have been following for almost 2 years now that has made an impact in my life. So before I knew this program, I was on my journey of personal development, so I read books, I went to seminars, and I joined several masterminds. When you hear me say this, probably you will think that I have already known lots of things. And yes, I've learned so many things from these books and seminars, but knowing something won't do you anything when you don't take action. And that is the first lesson I learned from this program. What it takes to succeed. All of us already have the potential inside us, but potential alone won't do us anything. Knowledge is not power. Execution is the power. Every one of us as a human being is capable of something, and that is our potential. And what we have to do next is we have to take the massive action to make use of our potential. And when we take massive actions, we create results. These results will strengthen our beliefs, and the belief is where the momentum comes from. And when we have stronger beliefs, we will tap in more potential. More potential will lead to bigger action, and bigger action will create bigger results. The results will make our beliefs stronger than before, and this sense of certainty is the real secret for a momentum. Why happy people get happier, and why people who make progress tend to make more progress. It is the momentum, and all these things will change so quickly when you understand this simple dynamic. So you have to get obsessed of what you want, because it will drive you to take action. Your desire is so strong that the energy in you makes you to find the answers. And the next is you have to take massive action. So that is the first lesson that I have learned of what does it take to succeed. And the second important lesson that I have learned is how I uncovered my real purpose. So that is this one thing called 7 levels deep exercise, and that is how I uncovered my real why, which is also my ultimate driving force for me to accomplish anything in life. So before I took this exercise, I thought that my real purpose is the purpose I thought before. But it was not that, and I uncovered my real purpose after I got into the 7 levels deep exercise. So where are you in your life right now? Have you uncovered your why, your life purpose? You already have the potential in you. Have you ever thought to share your messages to impact the world and get paid for it? Usually we met people with the same obstacles in life that we have experienced. We can help them to avoid the same mistakes and to be more courageous to overcome them in their lives. I was searching for something of how I could serve others from what I was and where I was at that point of time. Everybody has something they can help others, and this program helped me to identify what it is. How many people do you know that know what to do but don't take actions on what they know? Are you one of that people? You are the one who knows. You have to take a look into this. We are changing the world right now. We are changing the education system to serve others by what you already know through your messages. You have a bigger purpose. What does it take to succeed? Massive action. Resources are not the problems. The problem is people are not resourceful enough. It's your time to take action. Be part of the movement that shakes the world. Take your passion, skills, expertise to make an impact. This is the movement that gets you in the game. So if you haven't got your hand on your KBB program, make sure to check it out. I have put a link in the description below. Anyway guys, I hope you find value into this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications button so you don't miss my next videos. Thank you guys to spend your time with me today. I appreciate it a lot. And as always, I wish you a great day and see you in my next videos.